Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to today's 15-minute heart pumping walking workout. You guys, we are going to have a blast with this nonstop walking workout. It's easy to follow, and you get to modify these exercises if they are too intense for you. You guys, anything that you can't do, just bring it back to the simple march. That's all you need to do. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with this simple walk. What you do, just follow me and these prompts right there on the screen. And if you miss a move, you guys, just keep it moving. Let's start with side to side. Did you warm up? If not, check out my warm-up routine up there on the screen. Back to a march. Because you guys, this routine, we're gonna work. So you need to be warm. Okay, you gotta give me a kick in a second. Bring it to a kick, right and left. Love this one because it works on our balance and coordination as well. 2 and 1, bring it back to a march. Yes. We're gonna do some knee jacks, you guys. This too much for you? Tap in front. But keep those arms moving. 2 and 1. Okay, bring it to a squat. Okay, right, my left leg out and in, along with this arm. Two and 1. March it out. I love a walking workout, you guys. And one of the reasons is because it's easy on the joints. Better get ready to do this right leg and take it out and in. Yes. And another benefit is that you get to walk anywhere that you are. At home, at work, outside, while you're on vacation. And as you can see, you don't need much space. Take it out, left and right. And we are getting ready to change the intensity of this workout, you guys. All right, pump those arms. We are nice and warm and we are ready to go. Give me some skaters. And if this is too much for you, you can always modify it to suit you. Keep it moving. Two and 1. March it out. And of course, another benefit of walking is it improves our cardiovascular system. We get the circulation going, you guys. Okay. Left knee for 4 and switch it to the right. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it back. Excellent work. And while we're doing that, we're getting a little crunch in here too. Showing these abdominals some love. And 4 more to the right. And bring it back to that march. So with the cardiovascular system, we get the blood circulating, get some oxygen. Need some grapevines. Missed my own cue there, you guys. Let's keep it moving. Bring it back to March. Yes. And when it improves circulation, what I was saying is it brings oxygen to your cells along with nutrients. You guys, while I'm talking, just keep it moving. Wash it out. Okay. Walk it 2 times to the left, 2 times to the right. Give me a big stride, like you're stepping over something. Remember to keep those ab muscles engaged. Last one, you guys. Bring back to the march. You're gonna bring it up to me, and then back. Bring it back, and then back to that march. Yes. And another benefit of walking is that it improves our muscle mass and bone density. Four, 3, 2, and 1, and bring it down. Feel that supporting leg, you guys? Oh yeah, feeling that burn. And bring it back up. 8, 7, 6, and 5. Yes. Bring it back down. 2 and 1. March it out. All right, excellent work. And the reason why it improves those 2 things is because walking is a weight-bearing exercise. We're using our own body weight to work these muscles. 4, 3, 2, and bring it down. Yeah. Bring it up. 8, 7, 6, and 5. Yeah. Bring it back down. 8, 7, 6, and 5. Yeah. Bring it back to that march. Spread those legs for some inner thigh jacks. Sit down in that squat. Keep those ab muscles engaged. And another benefit of walking is for weight management. March it out. All right. Left obliques. Yeah. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it to the right. Yes. Six and 5, 4, 3, 2, and march it out. Excellent work, you guys. We're down to the final few seconds of this song, and we're gonna change the intensity again. Give me some jump shots. Take it up. Come up on those toes so we can show those calf muscles some more love. And one more. Excellent, you guys. All right, let's start bringing down that intensity. Get your side view here. Yes. And another benefit of walking is that it releases those feel-good enzymes called endorphins, you guys. It's a mood enhancer. Walk it out. And you know what else makes me feel good? The fact that you guys are here with me. Okay, we're gonna do some tricep curls along with a kickback. Nice work. That's what's coming down, you guys. Whew. Last one. Okay, bring those hands up. Give me some more inner thigh work here. And this also works what? Our balance and coordination. This is too much, or just to the knee. Three and 2 and 1. March it out. Okay, bring those legs out again. We're gonna do a glide. That was so good. Let's do it again. Yes. March it out. And I love these segments. It's because they energize me because you're here with me. Okay, let's slightly bend it over and swing those arms front and back. Give me a slight bend in these knees. So since we're not in the same space, you guys, you gotta share your energy with me in the comments. So please do exactly that and let me know how you feel about it. March it out. Okay, spread those legs again. We're gonna work some abs. And to the right, Goalpost up to the left, goalpost up. When I was putting this together, this reminded me of football, the move that the referees make, the touchdown. And that's exactly what we did, you guys. We did that. We are at the end of our 15-minute walking segment. Okay. Okay, breathe it in and out. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And last one. That deserves several high fives, you guys, and the best hug that you can give yourself, you guys. Excellent, excellent, excellent work. And I want to thank you all so very much for being here with me today for this 15-minute walking workout. It definitely did a body good. You guys, the sweat is coming down. These pores are open up. And that's another benefit too, okay? It's great for the skin. So you guys remember to hydrate. I've got my make it your own kind of special water bottle here. If you didn't know, I've got my own merchandise shop. You'll find that in the description. So if you want one of these, check it out. Make it your own kind of special. That's what I always say. And also remember not only to hydrate, but eat nutrient-rich foods, including protein. Protein is definitely a must for muscle building, muscle retention, and bone density. You guys, do not forgo the value and benefits of protein. That's something that I'm learning, and I am going to share that with you as well. So you guys, remember to give this video a like and a share, and share it with those you feel would benefit from the content that I am bringing you here. And while you're at it, please do press that subscribe button below. That's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying my channel, and they will continue to spread it around. And that, you guys, I definitely appreciate. So you guys, you know what I say? It is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special, and I will see you all real soon, either on my workout floor or in the kitchen, where I also bring you nutrient-rich, easy, delicious recipes as well. So hopefully I will see you on both platforms. And thank you so very much. I'll see you soon.